Namaste children, welcome back to the class, and today we will see how to construct a quadrilateral. So page number 94, Ganita Prakash, NCERT. Draw a quadrilateral whose diagonals have equal length of 8 centimeter that bisect each other and intersect at an angle of an 30 degree. So he's saying that draw a quadrilateral. So first we will draw an 8 centimeter line. We'll draw first 8 centimeter line. Then we'll take the midpoint of the 8 centimeter, that is 4 centimeter. We will put one point. You can take directly or else with the help of the compass, as we learned in the earlier classes. More than half you can take it here. More than half you can cut an arc up as well as down, and from here both the sides of the line you can cut an arc. Okay, you can take directly also. Here I am doing here directly. We'll name here A and B. Okay, now what is saying, from the midpoint is the angle is how much? 30 degree. So you mark here 30 degree. We'll mark here 30 degree, right? Then we'll put one point and extend the line. Extend the line. Right, and then midpoint we have taken as at 4 centimeter. So we'll measure here 4 centimeter, children. And remember always, children, sharp the pencil so that we can get the correct edge or a point. Okay, we'll cut an arc here. We will cut an arc, right, in this way. Then join this point. If you want, you can mention your name AB. Here you can write C and D. We'll join it, this one, both AC and BD. Right, and join AD and okay, right. So this is what a rectangle given of 30 degree, and here, so now we will find for the next, that is for 40 degree. Second he has given here how much? 40 degree. Same way you can do it. Again we will take it as an 8 centimeter here. First we will draw the line, straight line of, children, you can draw horizontal or vertical, how you want you can draw it. It's left to you, children. Okay, how you want. I'm taking this one so that it will easy for you. Then as well as I'll take the midpoint of this 8 centimeter. I'll put one point. Then with the help of the protractor, we'll put here 40 degree angle. We'll mark an 40 degree angle, and with the help of ruler and the point 40 degree, draw one as an diagonal to that, and then again measure 4 centimeter with the help of ruler and compass, right? Then keep it on the point here. We'll name it as, oh, we have not mentioned, we'll mention now, and cut an arc. This is called cut an arc. Okay, now again join this part. So I'll mention here, we'll take a different name, PQR. Yes, mention your name. Then join this PS QR. Okay, right. So this is what a rectangle, a given rectangle of angle, sorry, quadrilateral of an angle 40 degree, right, and of length 8 centimeter. Okay, children, I hope you understood with both the figure. So next we'll see it in the next part of the video. Thank you.